Labana Pass is located in the far northwest corner of KwaZulu-Natal on the Elephant Coast. This is actually a cross-border pass, with the start being in Swaziland at an altitude of 298 meters. It then rises up to summit in KwaZulu-Natal at an altitude of 614 meters, having an average gradient of 1 in 10. This is a serious dirt road of 3.07 kilometers and suitable only for 4x4 vehicles with low range. The track traverses dense indigenous forests up the Lebombo Mountains, gradients in certain sections being as steep as 1 in 5. After sweeping through a long S-bend, the pass eventually summits at 614 meters above sea level, providing expansive views to the southwest over the Pongola Dam and the nature reserve beyond. There is a border post at Ingwavuma, 5 kilometers to the northeast of the summit.